Balik na hambay norong busy schedule ni bising tipa na norong tini jora tiklay isang norong short duration na norong rihning norong sopay mabagin balik na norong hambay Khani ciba iya karo norong ozaga norong sopay mabagin. Thank you very much for being here first of all.
Thank you so much for inviting.
Yeah, is show ni bumung ka the youth show. Kay norong guest the klaiman norong tam nai.
No idea.
No idea. Blank. Sayetri.
No. But I have seen this. I mean, maybe
something we have to guess. By closing our eyes, we have to guess something and we have to say the name.
Okay. So, I know you, both of you personally. Since Sayetri ng Borok TV by some kajak, ng video on kajak. And I know Chamin also, personally. I know all the members.
Thank you so much,
bro. Yeah. So, not everyone in the audience not only cinema, so not only quickly, not only introduction, really the audience only by.
Okay, first of all, ani mungke Chamin Chakma ang as a person member and singer as well as actor bo. Okay.
Ani mungke Sayetri Devarma. I'm a model and I'm doing a music video.
Okay, so that's it with the introduction. Okay, I'm all showing format no sanai. Okay, this is not a formal show.
Okay.
You can do anything, both of you can even dance. We can remove the table if you want to. You guys can dance.
Okay.
Chill. So you guys can laugh. You guys can basically do.
It's my first show, so that's why I'm quite a bit nervous. So
it's okay.
I don't know what I have to say. It's my first experience, so I can.
Okay, so not to guess like go show tam nahi. Normally pas kan go iPad berazak tamo. Since iPad berazak, obviously omno norong mokolo matuk nai.
Oh.
Right?
Okay.
iPad not sang yak no to thubi able mokolong thubi, right? So omo norong mokolo thubi bro norong mokolo thubi. Mokolo thubai henge no normally pas kan go play do chasang nai mani re phai do. Norong mukla you have to feel it, smell it and then eat it and say norong sadi omo tam.
Okay.
Kaya jadi no norok kamu sabai kan gas klebe kan kaya similar mani no norok nipis kamu taisar berhai do kaya ni plate renai do
Okay.
ham ke buzina deh 2 plates sopai nai sekarang first plate sopai nai kaya norok kamu sanai feel kaya kamu sanai norok sanai kamu tamu kaya similar mani kaya ni taisar second plate do
Okay.
kaya kaya ni mani no norok to sanai sabai kan kaya no bomo expensive bomo kelai cook norok mas sanai
Okay.
so kaham kaya jadi completely jadi not take taste buzina deh. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
So please put on the iPads.
Okay.
Loose ngi sadi do change player one. Just put. Loose da? Kya
It's fit.
Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Okay. We'll be going with the first round. Can I have the first plate on the table?
Samosa.
It's samosa. It's
okay. You can
samosa
eat.
type.
No, sawi nema no because I'll be providing the similar thing again.
Okay.
You still think it's samosa?
No, it's not samosa.
It's not samosa. Sayetri tang wanso.
Situang saya si Malia.
Saya sama lihat. Cawe naik ding. Kita waktu bangkit cawe naik ding saya mana?
Bien tangka. Samosa beli bising umui.
It's not samosa but quite related with samosa but its name like I forgot actually this name.
Okay. To benar ni confusion mulai di sana. Ngomong kan kacori.
Okay.
Yeah. Actually, yeah, kacori.
Taste kalian you guys can have it. Jadi, naro cawe kaham ke taste hadi omo no because similarly no kacori taste ada naik. Naro am cawe sih hadi omo dah mau cook na dah ada plate.
Okay.
Talk.
It's actually quite mana bisa tandang tanga.
Tandang tanga. Yes, you are mau bagi tandang.
Okay. Okay, ante Chamin ya.
Sure. Can I have a second plate?
Okay.
Now there is a second plate. Mau cawe hadi. Mau Morocco. Haising ni apa expensive? Or this one?
Mukatala. Them same taste
It's quite different.
Same.
I think I was expensive.
Saya ni apa expensive mana?
Yeah.
Kaham ke bahaya orang lain ni gigi bahaya orang tong, ni orang padam bahaya orang tong. Ni saya mana?
Kisah badam loto means almond type. Something and mixed with quite chutney type.
Okay.
Ang same same taste.
I think before one is quite expensive.
Same leheng ya, kaisa lagi guess makan. Morocco pun kelai ko.
More expensive I think sir.
Tambah dia more expensive.
Because mati kisa tam rock lusa kai badam rock.
Okay. Chamin.
Before one is quite tastier than this.
Okay, Chamin sao? Poila ni abo. I mean, it's not about tasty, it's about the price.
Yeah.
So, Bomo Morocco, which one is more expensive?
Maybe before one.
Okay, Sayetri saka, omo Morocco nai, omo badam bahaya rotong. Chamin saka, poila ni abo Morocco nai.
I don't know actually.
Okay, just tell me the answer.
Okay.
Yeah.
Regarding to before one, I think second one will be most expensive.
Why?
Because yeah.
Reason?
Reason here, lots means some good smell and all coming out and.
So you are copying Sayetri.
No, I'm just.
Okay, so since not kani no answer ka, first one ke kalai mein, second one ke Morocco mein, right?
Yeah.
So both of you are correct. So the first one is taken from a local store.
Oh.
The second one is taken from a restaurant.
Because I was just closing my eyes and just I can't even imagine that which one is expensive and which one is. But by tasting, we can just say that.
Understand. Okay, we're moving on to the second round. Oh, liquid no nungai nor masanai omotam. Okay, cup berazak tisat.
Cup. Bien.
Amona.
Wait. Muda.
What do you think it is? Tamo.
I think this is chicken soup.
I think it's onion jal.
Onion water.
Water.
Onion
Yeah.
and water.
Oh yeah, mix.
Okay.
Onion
Make it
soup.
easier.
Okay.
It's a soup. It's a chicken soup.
Chicken soup. Okay.
Okay. Kaham ke taste khabai kana bole because second cup ang depan ita wak taste.
Okay.
Okay. Can I have the second cup? You can taste.
Where is my cup?
This I got it in my cup.
Muda yogo. Aya.
It's quite mixed with chili soup.
Chicken, but more chili.
Chicken soup, but
Okay.
more chili.
You have to guess the which. You have to guess the amount, like which one is expensive and which one is cheaper. Bomo dam besi, bomo kalai, bomo Morocco.
Most of the damn.
Soup da.
I think that before one is expensive. The chicken soup.
Both are chicken soup.
Both are chicken soup, but yeah, it's quite mixing with chilies and so.
So bomo Morocco nai, bomo kalai nai.
Quite mixing.
Bobo na sachi
Before than that. Okay, my option is second one. This one.
Bomo Morocco nai. This is expensive.
Maybe.
Just tell the answer.
Okay, just one second.
Nangai man, no, nangai man completely nangai man.
For me, the first one is expensive.
Okay, poila ni expensive. Sayetri sawo, the first one is expensive. Morocco, poila ni. And Chamin sawo, second one is expensive.
Okay, second one.
Nah, apa ni answer?
Yep.
Okay, ang answer is sanai. Sayetri, you are absolutely wrong. First one is taken from a local store. So I'm okay like no kana mano kono jong ni kana. Okay, second one is expensive. It's taken from a restaurant.
But
Yeah.
Not
Okay.
okay. Restaurant one second. But I'm going saya because corruption is sponsor clear. So please do remove the glasses.
Oh.
Can we go with the third round?
Kaisada?
It's potato chips.
Yeah, potato chips.
Okay, it is chips.
Yeah.
And second plate of no chips tonight. Just tell me out of the two plates, bomo bingo online te bomo uncle chips. Jadi kah okay because I'm second
Bingo.
plate.
Okay.
I guess this is bingo.
Tang win ngau bingo nang sekarang. Do you eat so much chips?
Yeah.
Okay. Sayetri, tang namo?
Muda?
Kurkure roda.
Kurkure ya mau वो
Uncle chips नहीं होगा ये bingo.
Nanti kasih bagian kan?
Okay. Next.
Okay, the second plate. Second plate. Can I have the second plate? Second plate berasa nombus kan kok?
Yeah, it's uncle chips.
Uncle chips.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mau uncle chips.
Mo uncle
Bingo.
chips. Okay, norok kanini no saka. Second niyo mo norok tau cai teman mo uncle chips. Poila ni plate niyo mo bingo.
Bingo.
Right?
Yes.
Yeah, both of your answers are absolutely correct. Guy. Okay, so moving on from this round, we're going to the fourth round now. Okay, numbers can plate berasa. Tamo.
Okay. कुछ दिखाई भी नहीं दे रहा है. What is this? Oh, it's momo.
No cheating, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, momo.
Yeah, by touching I can feel it that it's momo.
Simon udah. Are you eating?
Yep.
Ông có bắt thôi.
Quite cold and
It's
tastes like.
because of the AC.
Yeah.
Have it and taste it. Ông có momo, but which flavor ang namo?
Dia tanya kan? Biasa masa boleh.
Okay. I will send the answer.
Okay.
It's a veg momo.
Veg momo.
Yeah.
Okay. Sayetri tong sao.
Wait, this plate. Okay.
Wait. Chicken momo.
Chicken momo. Okay, the answer is chicken momo.
Okay.
Still then, it's not the end of the round.
Okay.
I think it's a plate tonight. I'm gonna taste place hari bom Morocco.
Okay.
Can I have the second plate? What do you feel? Nó một chắc thằng cái shape rồi này này mà nó. I think someone is shape.
Comparing to before, then this second one is expensive.
Tam bagi?
Yep. Second one.
More expensive enggak?
Tam bagi yang more expensive one.
Because before then this one is more flavors there.
Kamu taste flavor bang?
Mm.
Okay, Sayetri, main reason.
Mau kiting nih bagai. Mentik saya kok tahu tak?
Orang actor train romu yang thanglai tu mutan mana? Masa kamu answer kita masa kamu
Hati-hati ya.
answer. Okay, Sayetri sama mau kiting ni bagai, amo expensive. Ke korok ke dam kelai. Hai sebelah.
Kami apa? Main apa jokes? Mana mau tiap tahu?
Yeah. Kamu kisah flavor mungkin kan? Flavor kisah panggoro.
Okay. Okay, ang answer is tonight. Both of you are absolutely correct.
Oh.
First one, among kata sa kelai cook, among ka footpath ni.
Oh.
Nogrokot ang buhok ta dera ni. Sari tu kita. The second almost someone in gaya restaurant ni no.
Okay.
One of the most expensive restaurant in Agartala in Nahazago. Okay.
That's why more flavor gana.
Yeah.
It's lots of smell and it's quite good.
So moving on, we go to the next round. Romo sadi mutam. Bahina di bahan robo silene di radio groknya.
Chop hay sao đấy? Chop na?
Maybe
Aloo
it's
chop?
chop or let me taste and see. Yeah, it's chop. Chicken chop.
Sayetri ta mau.
Ah, chicken thama saya aku tu.
In every chop, there's mixing with some chicken and all. So you can say that it's a chicken chop.
Okay.
Mixing with potato.
Sayetri chicken itu mali.
How? Let me see the smell at least.
I feel it's more kesam.
Kesam.
Means it's old. ज़्यादा देर से बनाया हुआ है. It's like that.
I family amo tam chicken.
Okay, I'll make it easier. Omong ka chicken chop.
Okay.
Lepas taste to nabai na cai nena ko dote kisa.
Okay.
Can I have the second plate? Omong sawis hadi mau morok. Tapi omong kelai.
Trong cực khám hay.
No idea. Just first let me then see.
Một tiết thống mai rồi.
Yep. Ở ban đầu mix khai giang dan white flavor genangan kisah thô mà.
Một tiết thống.
Đó sama segan sari no boza gan chop bisi cha.
Anh chop thì sao?
Chop che. Chamin.
Regarding me then local ni chop ang kisah quite mix chow.
Okay.
Local ni, not from the restaurant.
Okay. No answer is it kalau.
Second one. Second one. This one.
This one is
expensive. Yeah.
That means no restaurant robot hangi dukan kotor hangi chop saya. Both of your answers are absolutely wrong.
I don't know. Ang chop cha với nhiều là thấy mẹ thế.
Ada.
Before then, this one is quite flavor. Is there mixing from with the almond and.
Apa sekarang ni apa kami? Apa ada?
Oh, but the last, I mean, second one is expensive for me.
Yeah. Both of you guys are correct. I was just playing with you.
I was talking.
Yeah, the answer is absolutely correct.
Okay.
Your guess is absolutely correct. The second one is expensive one. It's from a restaurant, and the first one is from the street.
Yeah.
Okay. Terus kamu kabar azak mau taste lima no?
Where is that? Wait,
Oh, this one.
why so far? Xì liang đấy. No idea.
Taste lebih kan?
Okay.
Okay. Can we have the second cup? Okay. Cup berazak nombuskan lo.
No. Here. Oh.
Where?
Check new cup, big cup.
Oh, in a big cup. Oh. I was searching that small one. So saya melihat.
Mau Coca-Cola.
Sama Coca-Cola.
Saya melihat.
Mau thumbs up. Mau Coca-Cola.
It's thumbs up.
Kamu thumbs up. Your first name kan?
Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola. Sayetri.
Wait. See, I can't differentiate. What to say?
Say first.
I can't differentiate seriously.
Just taste once again and.
I
okay.
taste many times.
This is the last. Okay, let me taste and see. Yeah, I guess it's thumbs up.
I don't know. Let it be Coke.
Sayetri sawo poila ni abo thumbs up. Kamu Coke. Chamin sao poila ni amo ko
Coke.
thamsa. Antawa answer is Sayetri. I'm really sorry, but wrong. Chamin,
Okay.
bike.
Yes.
So can we have a round of applause for both of them?
Oh.
Not only Mokolo je iPad norok thupsa komane ap norok tikhen.
Okay.
Bahai ma tong khawa site na lagi resan.
But like interesting and aram nangka mo kisa khai and really I thankful to you guys that chungna specially invite khana bagai.
Belai kena hambai mana opportunity tem tike ta mana interesting game bathang mana
Yeah,
bagai.
interesting game.
Okay, since Chamin na pai kha chini Borok TV ni team ni hode chen chini bakha bai no ni malia.
Okay.
Chamin no chen as a token of love chen Borok TV ni hode chin merchandise ki prasa merchandise chen no gift lai nai.
Oh.
Hopefully you like it.
Okay. Thank you.
Average.
Thank you.
Yeah, so
Nice.
So basically ni salo kha ka honor tebo kaham play videos, music, songs, dance. So now they no nai hi abun bagian. I wish both of you all the very best. Guy,
Thank you.
mas ga ngor senglai. What is your upcoming project? Nor ni tam phai dong. Eba nor tam mo sam khlai dong currently.
About upcoming project, it's quite pending, but je samung klepek haba to something it's quite mana joto audience no jajak khana joto like khana of video music video recently umani. So I think hopefully everyone have enjoyed with that music video and upcoming then with view Prasa member as well. I'm a member of that. So ketal tebo fight dongo tau to thaimal dia but hopefully joto not sajak pai nai of video. Thank you.
So
Once my joton taza kana mana chini video something kamu tamu tini neng boini but mana ani first time as a music video ang mana act khamani bagai so mistakes rok tong no but
Mistakes to
mana suggestion do khari da no rok tebo so that I can improve myself okay tebo mana tebo ya kaisa movie khai tong wata seng ke abo ajaga nungnai ta na se role mana kaisa role na jakta sengna
many movie ni bung tam ka.
tin movie ni mung gai ko songdari sani chongpreng
Okay.
Belai kana hambai dong norok phema bagi thangma sigang chini audience and not only fans from not only social networking site not only follow khlainani Twitter, Facebook, Instagram not only link rekhan gai but not only follow khlainani.
Okay, so no follow bagai you can visit my social apps Instagram as Kokborok Yangcham official and in Facebook you can search me at Chamun Langhong. Okay, thank you.
okay you can search me in Instagram as Fiona Saya and in Facebook it's Sayetri Fiona Cindy Devam. It's a long name but you can find it.
Thank you. To
Thank
both
you.
of you.
Bye.
Hopefully we get to work with both of you very soon. Nor by tebo keren namu sumut sen bus kang misalo ba.
Okay.
Tay chin relationship nor by ang haklay no. Kaya woi tebo keteng ke bus kang misalo ba tebo kaham khum naito kiyo ma hake tebo barthon.
Okay, thank you so much.
Bye.